Are you bouncing? Show me how you bounce. Aaron. Hi. Bless you. Bless you.
Oi! Oi!
Are you bouncing?
Nothing right in his face.
Yeah. So you can reach it. Bouncy, bouncy. Kicky, kicky, kicky. Can you do kicks? Can you do bounces?
Yeah, I'm gonna go have a cigarette and enjoy it for once.
Hi. Aaron, you're in the shadows.
You want him back?
Yeah. Bouncy, bouncy. Yeah.
One out actually when I
Aaron.
Did you go potty?
Do you want to read the books?
You just looked at me. You just looked at me when I said potty. Oh, really?
Hi. Hi, my love. Oh, yeah.
Cocker Spaniel now. It's pretty.
Yeah.
No, don't get that's her character.
Hi.
No way. Don't you dare.
Hi.
She looks pretty with the coat like that.
Yeah. What did you discover? There's a mirror on the other side. Ababa.
Tootsie, good girl.
Aaron. Aaron, there's so much to look at. What about this rolly thing? Ooh. Hi. Aaron, you want to do clapping? Singing? Hi, who's that bouncy boy? Oh, that's so cute. Oh, you figured it out now. Now you know how to do it. Hi. Hi. Yeah. Yeah. Hi. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Okay, now you're getting frustrated?
Oh, Audra, let me give you.
Okay, say bye.